Morning. It's Sunday. We're not taking the Graveleys for a ride today. It's too windy outside.
Yep, it's windy.
Is that a coffee stand?
Keep going. Freaking no way.
Coffee stand.
An espresso stand in Anaconda, Montana. Now my favorite place. Yeah, we did make it through another month. High five.
Did you say yes to the smoothie?
Yes.
This is our celebratory we made it through another month coffee.
And smoothie, because I haven't had real fruit in a while and it has been irritating my gut.
Yes, it has.
What a silly girl behind me gets lost. What's she doing? What are you doing?
It's just fun.
Where'd you go?
I went and filmed
I was looking all over for
the
you. I
campsite.
was worried you got eaten.
Well, I got nervous for a second.
You did?
Yeah, I was right by the creek and something like made a snap and
Yeah.
yeah, so I was
That's
like,
why I was honking the horn. I was like, well, either she'll hear the horn come or it'll scare whatever's stalking her away.
nothing was stalking me. I was just by the river.
You
which
wouldn't have
makes
known if you were getting
bears.
stalked.
It's fine. I got some really pretty footage though.
About to take a few kids for rides.
Land. Alright, so we're holding notch of flaps already, right? So we're gonna slow the airplane down. Are you ready to land?
Clara is next. What are you most excited about? Is there anything you don't want Kyle to do? Okay. How dare he take him over the mountain and not you? Oh, and he let him fly.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You let him fly, you dip him twice, and you take him farther than both of us combined. This isn't okay.
Alright.
Let's have to go again.
Okay.
Okay. How was it?
That's fun.
That's all you have to say.
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah.
I got the rod.
Well, you flew it. How did it feel?
Fun.
Yeah, that's about it. You're right. It's fun.
Here you guys go for this winter.
Thank you.
See, they say adventure above on them.
Yeah.
Bye! I'm kind of sad now, but it was really fun.
What do you think of that?
We spent the morning with the Graveleys.
Yeah, we met them.
They took us to Phillipsburg, which is super cute. We went to the coffee shop.
We
We
got
went
so
to this
much
candy
candy.
store. Oh my gosh, we have a pound of candy with us right now.
We are headed to the laundromat.
So exciting.
It's really not exciting at all.
That was sarcasm.
I'm gonna fix the baffling on the airplane later. That should be, well, I want to fix it because I want to carry it around. I've never been so happy to see a laundromat and wash my dirty laundry.
Where's Tammy?
Sam has a lot of that. Tanning while we wait?
Yeah.
Want to do it? Sure. So the not so glamorous side of living out of an airplane is we don't have anywhere to do laundry or bathroom or cook. So we go places like this.
Come on. Never done this before.
I know, neither have I. About halfway done, putting new baffles on. We got it fit to the nose real tight. No air leaks at all can get through here. And then we left this long. I know it's gonna be cut at about that angle. We got that done, and now we're gonna fit the top and see how much we have to trim off. We're back at Donovan's with a goateeless Greg.
Goateeless Greg.
What'd you do? Donna, we're gonna leave. Oh. Mind? You guys mind if we're on camera at all?
No, that's all right.
You don't care? Okay, if there's any like warrants up for your arrest or whatever, we just won't.
I'm gonna put the tower right here. My outhouse is right there.
There you go.
I don't have to walk any further.
Yep.
Oh, I forgot about that.
Yeah. Thank you guys.
Thanks, guys. Hey, we flew to Schaefer Meadows.
In Montana. We flew in here and we met 3 really nice gentlemen and we ate around the campfire with them and now we are going to bed.
Their names are Jaden, Jared, and Jared.
Jarrett, Joel,
and Joel.
and Joel. Anyway,
Hard to remember.
we'll see you over coffee.
Yeah. Good night.
Good night.